it's Dr. Drake 63 here again today, and just a real quick follow-up to the primary arms 1x6 ACSS unboxing and overview. I'm going to talk just briefly today about shooting the Galil 7.62 NATO. A couple things we did. Went ahead and thought we'd try this cheek riser today since our scope's sitting up a good 2.5 inches above the bore axis, and found it to be okay. And want to talk about taking just zeroing shots at 50 yards indoors, which is kind of my practice, which is what I prefer to do to outdoors. So you're getting ideal conditions as opposed to conditions where the wind or something else might be throwing you off. So want to talk about that a little bit today, and we'll talk a little bit about the ammo that we used. I mentioned the Hertenberger. This is what you're looking at right here. This is how it comes packaged. 12 boxes of 20 or 240 rounds. STG 58S Patronen, which I'm not Swiss, so I don't know what that means, but I do know that this is called Hertenberger. This stuff, which is called Hertenbergers, which I get from Sportsman's Guide, shameless plug. I pay for it, so we're not really plugging anybody. And we use this Federal XM80. You know, it's 7.62x51. It's a military surplus type cartridge. As is the Hertenberger. Okay. This is 147 grain, and this is 149 grain. So you've got some similarities. Neither one of these are what we call match grade ammo. So we're going to look at results shooting with this. Again, the whole purpose today was to zero. Not getting a general idea of absolute accuracy. The way we shot today was not off of sandbags or anything that's going to help you really determine a rifle's accuracy. It was more just to make sure we could get that scope tuned in, and was pretty pleased with the results, as you'll see in a minute. Well, we're just having too much fun with this scope. No two ways about it. Kind of see here, we went back and took some shots. Finished up in the center after pestering the heck out of the middle with the 5.56. But each of these corner targets here you see here represent groups, 3-shot groups. And I've been fooling around with the Chevron aim point a little bit. So this is not expensive ammo. This is military surplus ammo. But you're seeing, for example, this shot right here is going to be a sub-MOA group at 100 all day long. You can see up here we're a little bit of fluctuation. Again, this is shooting off of basically me elbows leaning on this table, which is not exactly what I'd call a shooting table. So you know, probably the group of the day is this one right here, and you can see that mess in the middle, like I said, is me just getting rid of my other 8 rounds, and that's on top of our 5.56 shooting. So not a bad group here with lower right either. You see whenever they're touching each other, that's a decent group. And again, I'm using military surplus type ammo, nothing special there. I believe this group was with 147 grains, and wow. As you can see, the rifle and the ammo combination with this scope are capable of producing some very nice groups at 50 yards. So no problem believing this is a 108 capable rifle. Just need to find a good day for me to be capable of it as well. Want to thank you for tuning in as always. This is Dr. Drake 63 saying thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated with the accuracy at longer distances using the primary arms ACSS 1x6.